Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi e-tron GT finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This powerful brand new model is a Quattro 4-wheel drive e-tron with a 105 kilowatt battery that produces 496 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek e-tron GT badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 405 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a big weekly food shop. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find the AC charging port on the driver's side of the car, while on the passenger side of the car you can find both AC and DC charging ports, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This e-tron GT can charge up to 80% in just 20 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7 kilowatt fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 17 hours, providing a range of up to an impressive 384 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the e-tron GT logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders, ice fix points for secure child seats, and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports under the seats. The front houses the multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full leather seats that are electrically adjustable. From here, you can also access the sunroof to gain extra natural lighting from the glass roof that extends from front to rear seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment with a wireless phone charging pad and 2 USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.